Alright, so we're going to start up this Trane unit. I installed this. We're going to go ahead and get it going. High side hooked up. Make sure we purge. Hook up our suction. 'She's cranking up. So we're gonna let this thing boot up. Hold this down for 5 seconds. Okay, we want to go to device details, hit OK. It's 1717. Okay, we're going to go to setup. Okay, I'm the contractor. So we're going to hit down contractor. Okay. I'm going to go to 17. Hit OK. 100. Dehumidification, we have none. Okay. 10,100. Ventilation type, none. 11,100 is heat set point. 68. 11,120. That is home cool set point. I'm going to leave that at 65. Okay. Item 11,140. Set point for away. Want a smart temperature, we're going to go up to that. 11,160 is away heat set point. 62, that's good. 11,180 is away cool set point. And we'll leave that at, let's say 80. Okay. And 14020, they don't have none of them, so that's what we'll go with. I'm going to go to exit. Okay. Save changes, yes. Now the unit's off. Let's go ahead and put it in heat mode. It's set for 70. It's 63 in the house. Heating will begin in 5 minutes. So I'm going to go to 78 to start it up. And now we got to wait 5 minutes. Please wait. All right, and that's it. We set that up. Trane unit on the crank up here shortly. We got the heat kit labeled. Everything's wired up. Flow switches in it. P-trap for the drain. Looks like we got OK fall. And it looks pretty good. So on a Trane unit, it's not too difficult to check your stuff. I've just started this unit up in heat mode. Had a charge in cold weather. And on a Trane unit, it's easy because you got your expansion valve for your heat mode right here. And your sensing valve right here. So you can take your superheat right here. You can take your subcooling from right here. I doubt that we have to do anything to this unit as far as adding charge, because the line set is right at 25 foot, as I believe. And looking at the way the charge is, it looks pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and put our probe right here on our suction, which will be our true suction, and get some temperatures to check our superheat. Superheat's really important to know if you're getting cold enough gas back to cool the compressor. So we'll check a few things. We're going to check the emitter off for one on the compressor, which will be my black wire right here. And then we'll check our temperature. And it's 65 degrees. So we got 65 degree true suction temperature, 65, and then 50 degrees on our saturation on our 410A on our suction gauge, 50 degrees so we're looking at a 14 degree superheat in heat mode. 36 minus 91, which gives us a 17 degree subcooling, which is probably within parameters, being that it's about 55 degrees out. We want to check our suction one more time to get our superheat. If I can get this in here. We're looking at 50 saturation and 68. It says the designed subcooling is 10 degrees plus or minus 3 degrees. So subcooling was at 14 at the time, but let's see what it is now. So these are the numbers I come up with. I got 65 degree body temp with a 50 degree saturation, actually 50. So they give us 13 degrees superheat, and that's exactly what the manufacturer wants, a Trane. So they got it, and that's how we start up one in the winter startup. Between 55 and 60 degrees outside right now. That's it in a nutshell. This Trane startup was very simple. I didn't have to add no charge or take no charge out. The line set was right about the 25 foot mark, and that's it. Thanks for watching.